Hacking games make you feel like hacking legends, like you know how to hack, but the moment you open a real Linux terminal, everything falls apart. And that's why so many beginners get stuck and quit. You go from feeling like you know what you're doing, to having no idea where to even begin. If you've ever played a hacking game, you know this. You click a button, bypass a firewall, access granted, and it feels like progress. You feel like you're doing the right things, like you're learning how this actually works. But the problem is, you're not learning real hacking skills, you're learning how to play a game. And the difference between these two is much bigger than most people actually realise. Real hacking doesn't look like this. There are no buttons, GUI, instructions, or mission complete. You're staring at a black terminal, flashing cursor, and you don't know where to start. You type something, nothing happens. You try something else, still nothing. And you start thinking, am I even doing this right? Everything you do matters. A wrong command, nothing happens. Or worse, it does something and you don't understand why. And this is where most people realise that they're not prepared for it. This is why platforms like Hack the Box can feel impossible at first. You expect to connect to a machine and be told what to do, but instead you're just dropped in and left to figure it out yourself. Not because they're too advanced or complicated, but because they require something that you were never taught. How networks behave, how systems work, and how to figure things out when nothing is obvious. And there's one skill that causes most beginners to fail, and it's probably not what you think. That skill is the terminal. Understanding the terminal isn't just about typing commands, it's about understanding what those commands do. And more importantly, understanding what the results are telling you. In a game, you type nmap and then you get a clear objective. You connect to the IP and you're in. Games handhold and they assist you. They're designed for fun. It's obvious what to do next and the game points you in the right direction. In reality, you type nmap and you get given a wall of information. Reality just doesn't have a tutorial. You're looking at ports, services and versions, and none of it means anything yet. You have to figure out what matters and what doesn't. You have to sift through the information and decide what you need to do to get to the next stage. And that's the difference. Games give you the answer, they skip steps for fun. Real hacking though, it isn't that forgiving, and you need to interpret those results completely by yourself. If you love hacking games, that's great. They're a fun way to get interested in this sort of stuff. But if you want to actually learn hacking, you need to shift from playing to understanding. Start with the basics of Linux, get comfortable in the terminal, and then move to something like Hack the Box. Don't skip that step though. That is where most people go wrong, because once you understand what's going on, everything starts to make sense. Hacking games show you what hacking looks like, but real hacking is all about learning and understanding how it works. And that's the difference between feeling like you're learning and actually making progress. If you do want to learn this properly, start here.